Hey, good morning, Alicia. Hey, what's happening? What's happening, traders all around the globe? New day, new opportunities. Last day of the week, so that's fun. I guess that is fun. All right. Hope everybody's having a good day. Let's see what else is happening here. Okay. All right. So it seems like we're gonna take this almost, well, technically Asia high out. Are we? Let's check it on a lower time frame. Yeah, it's going for it. It is going for it, I think. Is it? It should be. It's at 76.75. Is it the same on the it's the same on the mini too. Micro and mini high is 76.75. Hold on, let me check this. 76.75. Yeah, it's up there. Oh, Ashev's, good morning. I haven't reading the chat. AA, hey there. You're long from 58? Good. You're sitting in good profits then. You are sitting in decent profit. I'm actually thinking to scalp this one or not, but still haven't decided yet. I think I should. I mean, obviously it's very close. So let's see. Let's see if it wants to break that level. Oh, let me go back here. So Asia high is at 76.75. What else do we have? Let me go to the to the 30-second maybe. I don't know. Anyway, this is the 1 minute. Let's see if it goes for it. And after that, let's see the bigger time frames. Let's break it down. What is happening? Look at the consolidation since yesterday, right? Quite interesting. Quite interesting. New day opening gap didn't really has been rebalanced. So there's still an unbalanced price range down there at the 30s. Gotta be careful there. Hold on a second. I'm gonna check something. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna check it. I thought I'm gonna go out for a minute, but I won't. So consolidation, fair value gap above 20,006. There's a freaking fly in the room. I don't know how it got in, but it's in. It's in. One hour fair value gap here. Almost got it, but didn't. But I didn't. 1 hour fair value is right at 61.1. Yeah, 61.8. Sorry. Yeah, it's up there. So otherwise, on the hourly, this is a bearish order block. Almost. We have relative equal highs, by the way. Previous day high is relative equal high. So relative equal highs. What else do we have? Nothing else, right? I wonder if this one is going to take out this Asia high or not. Or is this just going to form a double top? Almost went to 76 there. Almost went there. Yeah, I think it's gonna go there. Should be taking it out. Hey Marek, $85 activation, 150 Apex. It's still active. Yes, Marek, exactly. It's still going. So yeah, I think it's active until the middle of August. I think the 15th of August. I have an email somewhere. I just have to look for it, but I know somewhere the activation fee. The sale, I'm not sure. I mean, the $40 sale is maybe only until the end of the month. But the activation fee to pass the account and have the cheaper lifetime activation is until the middle of August. Are you using fair value gaps by LuxAlgo? No, I don't. No. I put it here manually by myself, but no. Okay, we took out this high, and we might have a chance that this one is going to go into that fair value gap up there. Ashev's using LuxAlgo. Which one is that? Let me check it. What is this? No. Sessions, no. Indicators. What's that called? Fair value gap. LuxAlgo. Here it is. this is what it looks like, right? Wow, a lot of fair value gaps all of a sudden. Actually, not a bad indicator, I guess. Look at that. ICT kill zones. Yeah. So inputs, top right small, extended. Mitigation levels, time frames. Time frame chart. Okay. What's the mitigation level? I mean, I know what it is, but okay, that's just annoying. I'm gonna turn it off. Extend, I don't need that. That's fine. What is dynamic? I don't need dynamic. Show dashboard, yo, location, okay. All right. So the current time frame. These are the gaps on the current time frame. Not bad, actually. Good that you told this. I mean, I knew there was other fair value gap indicators, but I totally forgot that Luxalgo actually makes these. 10 is too much. I'm gonna go with 5. What? Oh, there you go. 5 bars is enough for me. It helps you to view everything a little bit better. But this is a 1 hour fair value gap up there. That's the thing. Hey Paul, absolutely. Absolutely. Actually, I do like it. So the recent fair value gap is still on the move, but the previous one is down there. Actually, not a bad indicator. Absolutely not bad. Gold is making some new lows. It seems like it. Now that we have taken this area. Yesterday, I managed to pass 2 more Apex accounts. So today I might try that again with another Apex account. All right. What do you think about fast track trading? Well, Marek, what should I say? I think it's an opportunity. Definitely, they are very new, but they did pay out people. Good morning, Gerald. So they did pay out people. Obviously, more expensive than starting out with a regular prop firm, but what could I say? You know, I think the prop firm industry needs prop firms who give the opportunity for traders who feel more experienced or feel or have more money up front to buy leverage, because that's what you're buying. You're buying basically leverage. from the prop firm. You deposit a few $100. I think it's they have a 30% discount, like $300 something to buy a 50K account, and in exchange you will get, I don't even know how much is the threshold, $2,500 leverage. So it's an investment, right? That's what you get, because that's what you get. So obviously it's not a bad thing. I think so. I just I really hope if there's a prop firm like this, which it is, Fast Track Trading, if they want to go with this business model, they're going to, or they can survive in the long run. I really hope so, because we need all sorts of prop firms, all special perks and features. I don't want to see more prop firms go down, because it's not good for the industry. So yes, overall, I wish that they will succeed. That's what I say. I wish they will do it. I am willing to participate with their platform. I wasn't sure if I want to wire money or wait for the credit card deposit thing. They said they're going to be able to accept credit cards in a few weeks, like until August 14 or 15. Until then, it's only crypto deposit and bank wire. But some other CEOs and big names on Twitter were saying that, you know, prop firm that is accepting Tron or crypto as a deposit is a red flag. I don't know about that. I guess, I mean, crypto is the future, so I don't know. But I hope that they will do fine. Good morning, Saya. Is Bulenox monthly payment with past evals, or is there activation and no monthly afterwards? There is an activation fee. There is an activation. If you pass, the activation fee for the 50K is $148 with Bulenox. $148 lifetime. There is no monthly fee like at Apex. Apex can give you an $85 monthly fee. Bulenox doesn't have that. Only one-time lifetime activation. That's why I'm saying if you Bulenox and Apex is very good for cheap upfront cost accounts, but don't forget it that you still have to pay activation fee. Now, Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures has no activation fee. MyFundedFutures starter account $80 with the discount code $76 and no activation fee. Just saying, you know. Pulls back to 61, Tom. You have an entry on 5 minute. Yeah, that's true. We have an entry on the 5 minute if it pulls back. Oh, you too. Hey, you too, Saya. Good luck for you today. Be careful, it's Friday, but you know, keep it cool, keep it tight. Wish you good profits. Yeah, we have the 50% there. Actually, OTE level is quite good at 65. How many people passed the evaluation? Yeah, that's the data that we don't know. Every prop firm has their own data about that. So, morning on Take Profit. Oh yeah, on Take Profit Trader, that's a good question. Take Profit Trader, the only down thing is that if you break the daily loss limit, and that's the big negative thing. If you break the daily loss limit, you've blown the account. So it's a hard breach. It's not a soft breach if you break that. So you cannot do the same with Take Profit Trader that you do with Bulenox or Apex, that you YOLO the account, you pass it one day and you're happy, right? You can't do that. With Take Profit and MyFundedFutures, it's not possible. I mean, with MyFundedFutures, the daily loss limit is not a hard breach, it's a soft breach. You can continue the other day. But obviously, the wiggle room to go with the caution that you can use is much smaller. So that's the rough part. Exactly. Morning, Hansen. I've drawn it from the wick low to high. Yeah, I mean, I did that too. From the upper wick to the lower wick. Anyway, 61.8 is down there. OT entry around 65-ish, 66-ish area. Let me see if I have something here that I like. Right, might enter. I think I have an Apex account that I can go with micros. Apex account. So the entry on my end would be 65.50. Let's go with 65.50. How many? 4 micros. 60. Actually, let go 65.50. Buy limit there. All right. Let's see if this one's gonna take me in. And let me put out a... Am I gonna get tagged in? But taking monster pass and evaluation. Yeah, it took me in January, it took me almost 2 months because I went with micros. And then blowing up, it would be, yeah, that's heartbreaking. Absolutely understand. That is heartbreaking. If it takes you like 2 months to pass an evaluation and blow it up on your first day. Hey, Secrets of the Unknown, sorry I didn't see you there. I'm sorry. Today long or short, bro? Well, I like to tell you something, but we are right now in neutral territory. Neutral. I must say, I think we're going for the 1 hour fair value gap so far, and there's an order block up there. 1 hour bearish order block, which I really like. And guess why I like it so much? Because we have relative equal highs up at 162. So overall, I am bullish for now. For now, all right? So let me put this here. 1 hour bearish order block right inside. Okay. And relative equal high. So I am bullish for now. Let's see. Push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing some very nice giveaways in, I don't know, maybe New York? I don't know. Oh, look at that. I didn't get the entry. Oh, no. That's a bad thing. I think it will go down and we will get it. I didn't get it about Bulenox. Which part? I'm sorry, I'm talking all over the place. I'm sorry. Sarah, good morning. Provided that the rules are the same, why some believe it is easier to pass eval with one firm compared to another when we are trading the same market regardless of what firm we use? That's a very decent and good question. Provided that the rules are the same. Well, I would say if you use the same proper risk management, like not risking, for example, your leverage on it. Again, I'm going to go with an example of 50K account. On a 50K account, if you lose $1,000 in a day, I think you should be stopping anyways, right? So basically, you have almost the same conditions at every prop firm. So at the end of the line, it's not just about the prop firm that you pass an evaluation account or not. It's about you. Of course, we can YOLO accounts. We can buy 10 accounts and YOLO all of them, and we can pass it in 1 day if we want to. But let's, for example, imagine that we can only go with one mini, for example. which you do with MyFundedFutures, with 1 mini at a time, not 7 or 10 and 10 micros, 1 mini or 10 micros. Can you do it? Can you do that? You know, that's why I like the starter account at MyFundedFutures. That's a good thing. The payment of Bulenox. Oh, sorry. So you pay the what the hell did just happen here? Sorry guys, just a second. I didn't get tagged into the trade again. Sorry, I'll be right back with you, Gerard. Look at this. Oh no. So the payment with Bulenox, you pay $148 lifetime fee. That's all. That's what you pay. Yeah. So on a 50K account. Hold on. I have to check the stop loss levels here. 51.75. 51.25. I put my my stop loss there. 51.25. 85. That's gonna be 190. All right. Updated the trade. Right, be with you guys. Okay, this is the trade I'm in on this one. Let's go to it. Does make sense. Just have to. I just have no luck with TopStep, and that's really best DJ in town. It could be, you know, some traders need bigger, you know, bigger daily limit. You know, some others don't. That's why you have to, of course, choose between a prop firm that has daily loss limit or no daily loss limit. Now, MyFundedFutures starter account has a daily loss limit, but the expert account doesn't have a daily loss limit. If you need more wiggle room, more cushion to trade with, obviously you have to make the decision that fits to your trading style. I get it. I get it. I'm just saying, what if every prop firm on the world in futures would only let you to trade with 1 mini? That's a good question, guys. If no matter where you go, you can only start with 1 mini or 10 micros. How would that be? Anyway, I think that would be interesting. Hey, secrets of the unknown. Hi, bro. My PA Apex account, I was trading with mini first. I made around 1100. Nice. But I then went back to 600s. Then after that, I switched to micros, and I made very good. Congratulations, secrets of the unknown. Very good. Around 450 away from payout. Come on, let's go. It's okay that I switch on. Absolutely, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah, I heard this question the other day. You can switch from mini to micros as long as you still have a proper risk management. You don't do gambling all around the place. It's fine. I know people who were trading micros, then switched to mini, and vice versa. But they had a steady equity curve, nothing crazy going on there, and they got paid out after the new rules from Apex. So of course you can. Tom, have you noticed recently the move on gold? NQ cash have been starting at 2 a.m. instead of 2 a.m. I don't know. I haven't really noticed that. I mean, I'm watching gold too, but I haven't put the midnight open here. I'm watching gold too, but I haven't really noticed that the move is starting earlier, but might be. Good observation. That could be the case. Of course, gold is making new all-time highs all over the place, but you know, it's possible, but you have to manage risk properly, which is a lot of people don't. Yeah, that's the downfall. Not just for me, I mean every one of us. Risk management is where we mess up the things. Yeah, no problem, Secrets of the Unknown, no problem. Happy that you're here. I was 90 away from passing an eval with them. Oh, 50k account. I blew it because I thought it was... Oh, same happened to me in March, trading micros. I accidentally pushed 5 minis instead of 5 micros, and I smoked my accounts with copy trading, so it was fun. I was like a zombie for 2 days. Pushing 5 minis instead of 5 micros. And I was instantly in a drawdown in a matter of seconds, like $1,000 in drawdown in a matter of, I don't know, few seconds. Blew the account from 52. Oh, yeah. You know. Okay, this trade doesn't look good, right? I was hoping a continuation upwards to the fair value gap. It might want to take out the Asia lows. And let's check out the new day opening gap here. All right. Which has not been closed properly. Which is this one. Okay, let's give this one a different color. I don't even know. Doesn't matter because it's new day opening gap. Right there. Oh, it's not accurate. Sorry. Okay, now it's better. So new day opening gap down there. That's a target. That's a target, possible target. And what else do we have? We have this bearish pin bar, which can drive price down on the 1 hour chart. Look at that. Poked liquidity. What if this one wants to go lower? You know, I hope I'm wrong. There is a low at 58 on the 5 minute. Is it there on the 5 minute? 58. Well, anyway, no wick on the mini. Let me check it. Yeah, no wick on the mini here. Can still go down there. I don't like this trade anymore. I might have to close it. Done the same. All right. Good day, fellow. Sketch. Yeah. Thanks for dropping by, Digital. Marci Német. Hey, üdvözöllek. 4 hour forever Asia high, easiest 10 points. Yeah, that was the easiest 10 points. I agree. Now, this is the last defense line for this trade. I think it's gonna go down now. I don't like the way it looks like currently. Actually, I'm thinking to close this with a small loss. I'm offside, I'm closing it. Okay, I'm out. I am out from that trade. For short inside, yeah. I picked up 165 on the drop. Nice one, Paul. So yeah, this one didn't go for the fair value gap now. If anything, it wants to go for that 47, or might be the leftover of the new day opening gap on the downside. Dominic, good morning. Oh, I haven't started my Discord yet. Oh, I just started my Discord since yesterday. Dominic, I see you have 22 messages for me. Oh ho. 22 messages. Jesus, okay. Why do you have 22? No, it's not you. But you did. Yeah, it's not you. But you still message me. Okay. See you there. Uh-huh. Oh my, I have to go through these charts, Dominic. I like it. All right. Dynasty, what's up? Well, you know, we're just looking for some trades. Just looking for some trades. We took out Asia High. So that's done. And now we might be coming down to 933, I think. $35. Let me see the open here on the mini. Sorry, 53. $53, not 33. Why I said 33, I don't know. 53.25. 53.25. The same. It's the same, all right. So that's the level I'm particularly looking at. Oh, come on. Sell side liquidity. Let's see. Are we gonna get it? Why is it 33? Oh, it is. Okay. There's a glitch in the matrix, but it's still fine. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Gold making a move up. Let's see, Jeff. Ron Costa, good morning. What's up, guys? Gold starting to make the move. This freaking fly. I'm gonna get it. Oh shit. Okay, I got it. Haha. Got smashed. Okay, gold is making the move. Yeah, looks good. 24, 25, 7. Could be. Look at the drop. It's happening. We're gonna take out 47. Maybe before the London Open. Maybe before the London Open. Who knows? Batista, hey! Hello, good morning. Animal Control will find you for a smash. Yeah, it was just a fly, and I think he's in fly heaven right now, so he's fine. Naomi, hey there. Did I say hello? Good to see you, Naomi. So yesterday I was scalping one mini. Okay, I give you something more. There was one trade I went in with 2 minis. One trade I went in with 2 minis in the New York session, and I was risking everything on one trade because I got to a drawdown, almost blowing up the account. But except for one trade with 2 minis, but otherwise trading one mini all day scalping, I managed to pass an Apex account in one day. So that was quite a ride. So not YOLOing with 7 minis, but yeah, it was interesting. I think that should be a practice, you know, trying to pass an Apex account or Bulenox, whatever. Actually, it can be whatever account. Just go with 1 mini, you know, with 1 mini, strictly with 1 mini. That should be a goal. Can I pass an account in one day with 1 mini? Let's see. Yeah, we're going down, it seems like it. 36 down there. Looking at the levels here. Should be going lower. Bum, 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 bum. Now I think that 33 level is very tempting at the new day opening gap. We need a down close candle through 33. Through 33. So the bias is changing all over the place. Let's see. How is it gonna play out? Ron Costa says he entered at 971. Shut the front door. Get this guy out of here. Sitting in profits and little risky. You're not in risk. If you entered at 71, you are fine. Sitting in a very good position there. All good now, yeah. Shut the front door, man. 71. Nice. Ron Costa comes here flashing with his entry. All right, all right. That's a very good entry, man. Very good. Actually, yeah, it's a very, very good 71. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, you have some opportunities here, especially on the 1 minute. Let's see. 1 minute time frame. Yeah, there was some on the 1 minute. There was some opportunities. You know, here on this fair value gap, or even there. Even if you missed the entry, who cares? 1 point here and there. Retracement on this one, this one higher, or in this area. This area could have been a good entry. Absolutely. Although, if I'm scalping on a slow early London morning like this, and my entry is up there at 71, my final TP would have been down there at 53 area, down here, because at this swing low point at the midnight level. So I would have been out, but it's your decision, your risk to reward ratio, your targets. Don't listen to me. This is what I would have been. Exited, but it can still go down, of course, to the new day opening gap. But that was a nice entry. Very good entry there. Furkan, good morning. Doing great, doing awesome. Having a great day in paradise. Sorry. Everything's fine, everything's great. $50 is the point of control, which acted as support. Yeah. Yeah. I can see that. Yeah, it's definitely a point of control area. Good morning, Aryub. Hey. Doing great. I hope you do well as for yourself as well, and profit-wise and everything. Amazing. You also look for shorts. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts for now. So obviously the bias is changing all the time, but yeah, looking for shorts. Ready to short. Just waiting for London open move. Yeah. We still have, so if anyone just joining the stream, we still have a leftover from the new day opening gap down there at 35. We don't have still a down close candle to rebalance completely this price down there, at least on the 15-minute or higher, 15-minute, 1 hour candles, whatever. And there's still a small area, not too much, just 2 points where price has not been yet since the reset time in electronic trading hours. I don't know. We'll see. New day opening gap looks good. Oh no, I'm wrong in this one. Which time frame was it? Oh, this one, the 1 hour. Yeah. So the 1 hour chart, look at that. 1 hour chart closed here at 5. We had the open, and we still have this on the 1 hour. That's what I was looking for. So if you go down to the 5 minute, I mean, it's look at that. We're going down. What a drop here. Look at this drop. 1 minute chart. Look at this. You guys want in on this? I think you should be. You know. I think it should go down. I mean, 33.25 would be the okay, and there you go. It took it. It was too late to jump in. It was too late to jump in just like that, but There were not an entry even on the 30-second chart. Wow, look at this drop. I have to go to the 5-minute. There was no entry there. Look at the 30-second. No retracement, it just started to go. So it just went. It just got down there. Yeah, that drop, boom. Tom, you late. I was late. Or was I? Or was I? Or was I? I wasn't. Although it's not much, but I scalped on one of my funded accounts. Almost $200 on this drop. Anyway, I didn't tell you guys, so keep it a secret. Oh no. My supercar. Read price properly. You can use sell stop. It doesn't need to market order. Yeah, I jumped in with a market order. There was no time to analyze it for you guys. I just saw the drop on the 30-second and boom, just went in. Look at that. Yeah. What's another 100 points drop? Yeah, anything can happen from now on. You know, what I just did there, at 25% of the time, it works all the time. Or how did I say it? 25% of the time, it works every time. So I took a risk there. You getting an Apex payout soon? Looks like it's well, I'm still like $700 away from an Apex payout, and yeah, I don't even know what to do, guys, honestly. So I need an answer from you guys. I'm curious, what would you guys do? Because I'm thinking about this. If I reach the $2,600 on one of these Apex accounts, should I request the $2,000? Option one. Should I request $2,000, but that's going to leave me with only $500 of safety threshold, right? Option two, build the account more. Build the account more and request maybe $1,000. Option three, just request $1,000. What should I do? Option three, request $1,000 and leave $1,500 safety cushion. Okay, option three. All right. So option one, do not. So you guys are saying do not request the $2,000. Just request $1,000. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. Always the 2K ERP media says. Okay. And keep going. All right. So request $1,000 and keep going with the account. All right. Thank you. Good idea. Good idea. All right. All right. That's actually a good idea. I was also thinking to build the account up to $3,000. So I'm not going to request the payout at $2,600. I'm going to build it until around $3,000. I'm going to request $1,000, so that's going to give me $2,000 safety threshold, which is so far okay. It's better than $1,500, I guess, but the difference is not that big actually. So I don't know. Maybe I can request $1,000 at $2,600. I don't know. No, I'm not okay. $500 daily drawdown is absolutely nothing, and I still have to build the account back above $2,600 after that. So if I leave the account with $500, chances are extremely high that the account is doomed if I just don't go down to 1 micro maybe. So I'm going to be working the same effort to build it up. So I mean 500, yeah, you can manage it with 1 micro. I'm not saying you can't, but it's gonna be a slow process to reach the next payout. So need the threshold. Great idea, yeah. Make a cushion up to 3K. Yeah. Most people blow the accounts after payout. Yes, so that's why I'm thinking to I'm trying to build it up to around $3,000, or maybe even higher. 3,200, 3,500, something like that. Request a $1,000 payout and just build it, you know, go from there, building it more. That would be the ideal. Make it grow. Yeah. Build it more, but it requires extremely good discipline, guys. Which is one of the hardest thing in trading. And to fight with greed and emotions. Look at the gold. Hey, market structure shift on gold. Market structure shift on gold. Could be having an OTE entry here real soon. I might just take it on the evaluation account. With the tight stop, you know. Tight stop. 3 micros maybe? Maybe. Let me check it. MGC. MGC. Okay, I have it. I'm going to be watching this gold trade. I might enter with the limit order. There's still 3 minutes to go. I have other Apex accounts I haven't even touched yet. Absolutely nothing. I mean, just flipping 1 micro, but haven't even touched yet. $60.61. What is happening here? Oh yeah, I know what's happening here. Oh, I have to scalp on my MyFundedFutures account too, because I'm gonna get rebuild soon, and I want to make sure if I can make it, or I have only a few days from one of my MyFundedFutures account to get rebuild, and it's basically at nowhere. It's sitting almost at 50K. So I have to step on it. If I can scalp into some profits, that would be great. If I blow it, well, I'm just gonna get rebuild. Okay, here we go. Limit order is 24. Okay, limit order placed at 24.21.8. $24.21.8 is my limit order. I have not been tagged in yet. Here it is. That's the limit order right there. Only risking $81 on this one. Micros. $81. I'm gonna make a fortune on this trade. Based on the 5-minute chart, by the way, on gold. I'm still not tagged in. Still not. I'm gonna let you guys know if I will. London open in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna, yeah, it's already, it's open, right? London is open. Yeah. What's your take on 5 evals? Should all be traded together or one by one? 5 evaluations. I would not be copy trading all the 5 evaluations, because you could be having a losing streak any moment. Because, I mean, from my experience, I go aggressive on evaluation accounts, of course, and I do crazy things on evaluation accounts. So I don't want to risk all the evaluations. Now, if you have a straight plan and you have discipline to hold on to that plan, then you can copy trade. But on the evaluation accounts, I used to do scalping more. I'm a bad scalper. Yesterday I was lucky a little bit, and that's why I'm not copy trading all the evaluation accounts. I trade them one by one with bigger size. That's what I do. But it depends on your trading style, on your system, on your risk management. So it's depending on the person as a trader. So how do you manage risk? I go crazy on evals. On the fundeds, I tune it down and I go slow, super slow, actually turtle slow on my funded account, super slow. So, but I would not be copy trading all of the 5 evals. I would not. Maybe you can copy trade 2, you know, 2 and 2 and 1 more separately. If we break 900 barrels, we'll have a feast again. Yeah, look at that. My gold trade left me in the dust. The train has left the station. And now, if it takes me in, I don't even like it anymore. What's happening with NQ? Watch that. 65 is down there. Let me check on the mini. Oh yeah, it's down there at 65. Is it gonna go to 65? Is it really? $65.50. I think we're going there. What the hell is going on here? I can't handle the pressure. Look at this. Jesus, holy baby Christ. We're going down. This is the 30-second chart. Whoa. Whoa. It's gonna go down to 64. Look at that. Look at that. 64, here we come. I have no trade. Just saying. No trade for me. There you go. Almost there. Almost there. It's gonna break 64. What a move. There you go. 64 taken. Shoulda, woulda, coulda entered around here. The drop continues. What the hell? Where are we going with this, guys? Where is the end? Bullish order block starting at 46 on the 15-minute. Opening is at 45.50 here on the micro. Anyway, I'm gonna put it to 46. I don't care. All right, let's look at this. Open 46.25. Okay, on the mini. So 46.25 bullish order block, 15-minute chart. We're going down there, I think. Let me put this here. Bullish order block, 15-minute. I'm super excited. To the top here. That has been taken out. Are we going down to the order block? Fair value gap on the 1 minute has been reached. Possible short entries if you guys want to risk it for the biscuit. This is the entry for the first short opportunity on the 1 minute at 78. Could be repricing higher. Taking it. Taking it. The man of the hour. Oh my god. 0 Day J. Welcome. Huge applause. I wasn't reading the chat, guys. I'm sorry. Can't believe NQ is down over warning. Oh yeah. How you doing, 0 Day J? Good to see you, man. Dude, I'm going to hop into your stream later. How you doing? Good to see you. I've been short from 9:55. 3 trades and Apex well passed. Oh, congratulations on your payout, 0 Day J. I saw that. I was lurking in the background. Wasn't saying hello, but I was there. Congratulations on the 2K. That was awesome. Best DJ in town, 3 trade Apex well passed. Nah, yeah. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Okay, so we have an order block at 46. Are we going there? Are we going there, or what is happening? I'm not sure I would have the nerves to jump into that trade. What's happening on gold, by the way? Gold left the station. Do I have any orders? Oh, I have an order. I'm gonna cancel. What is this? This is gold, but I am not in a gold trade. I have no positions, so I'm gonna cancel this order. Cancel all. So working on making the habitual. Awesome, man. Awesome. I'm happy for you. That's great. Nothing feels better when you get approved for a payout. Not just with Apex, anywhere. Anywhere, I guess. Especially after all the hard work. So that is awesome. That is awesome. How far is this gonna go, really? Dude, are we dropping back to the 45s? What is happening? I wonder. Anyway, I scalped another 50 bucks on the funded account, or 60. Lots of I mean, dude, it's in the cards. You know, we have to fail before we succeed in this business, and this is a business, and I think you know that already. I think you know that you have way much experience, I think, in business, as at least you strike me as someone who knows how these things works, and you know, this is a business, and that's how it goes. You invest also, and this is an investment. All these evaluation accounts, activations, whatever, as you said in tuition, you know, but the goal is not just to make it back, but to make it as your own business, printing your own paychecks. Because I think this here that we're doing is one of the greatest things that we can do. I'm super grateful that we are living in a time that we can print our own paycheck from the comfort of our home. I mean, how great is this? So that's why we have to master this. Exactly. So great opportunities. I have a lot of respect and admiration to all prop traders. Well, Komodo, good morning. Thank you, giving you low vibes. It is. I'm saying this 15-minute order block is in the crosshairs right now. Thank you, Marco. Thank you. Hey, Komodo. So, Tom, should I buy MyFundedFutures or Bulenox? It depends on your trading strategy, depends on your risk management style, depends on your experience, depends on a few factors. It's depending on your personality as a trader. If you're going with small size and you want to save up some money, but you have enough confidence that you can trade your plan, I would say go with MyFundedFutures. But if you're not confident yet enough how to go through, I would go with a cheaper upfront cost. In this case, Bulenox or Apex maybe. Or if you don't want to do Apex, then of course Bulenox, or you can't, then go with Bulenox. But depending, you know, obviously the cheapest one in the market right now is MyFundedFutures. There's no cheaper than MyFundedFutures, including activation fee, right? $76 with the discount, and there you go. We just went through the order block entry level, so you have to also calculate with that. So there's a few factors I don't know, because only you know that, and only you can make the decision. Money wise, how much money you can afford right now, what's your pass rate on evals, what's your strategy, risk management style, all that thing. So the question is not that simple to answer to. So go with end of day drawdown. That's actually a good idea. End of day drawdown account is going to give you a little bit more safety. Does anybody use ACG? I never even heard of it, or maybe I did, I don't know. I want to follow my plan. I'm confident since I managed to dump that. Nice. There you go. There you go. Komodo, don't let yourself be distracted. Good job there, Komodo. Well, you know, if you are confident in your strategy and you want to save up, listen, it's very simple. Even if it takes you 2 months, so let's assume you can keep your account, right? You're not blowing it up. If it takes you even 2 months to pass the account, so you can take it slow, you don't have to stress out. If it even takes you 2 months to pass the account, that's 2 times $76 with MyFundedFutures. How much is that? $152 if you get rebilled twice. I mean, for the second time, right? $152 including activation fee, and you have 60 days to pass the account. I think that's still a good deal, right? So if you're confident that you can do it in 60 days, then I would say MyFundedFutures is something you can go with. Yeah, take it slow then. You should be able to pass in 60 days, even if you take it super slow. So yeah, Fast Track Trading, I don't know also how they're doing right now, but I heard that they still don't accept credit card. Yeah, 0 day J. Drawdown is great, 2,500. Yeah, drawdown is good with 2,500. So made 668 in one eval, scalping 1 minute. Nice, very good, very good. Congratulations, Anipav. Very good. Yeah, right now we took out some levels down there. We are inside this 15-minute bullish order block. I feel a little bit of FOMO for not scalping this. I mean, this could have been an entry for me on this order block. Sorry, fair value gap here. This was at 65. Enter here and scalp it to 46, and I didn't go for it. Beautiful candle. Obviously, there was an even smaller fair value gap here. Right there. I'm going to highlight it so you guys can see it. Right there. There was an even smaller gap. So I could have entered here. Boom. Just go down. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. It is what it is, right? And I'm so glad I'm not in the gold trade. Yeah. I deleted my pending order on gold. Rinse and repeat. Exactly. You're welcome. Simeon, hello. Welcome. What's happening? What is happening? I'm gonna put a sound on my soundboard from Bill Lumbergh from Office Space. You know, what's happening? That's how he said it. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, what's happening? How are you doing with your TPS reports? I'm drinking coffee from the New York coffee mug, which I bought originally from New York. So I bought this in New York. When 13 years ago, I bought this in New York. You know, I have the Brooklyn Bridge behind me. You know. I think we could bounce from here. Yeah, we could. We could. Luckily, no coffee from your session. Yeah, it's not a coffee from New York session. It's just a New York coffee mug. 7:30, sell side. 7:30. Oh yeah. I like that area. Serdar, don't get poisoned from that coffee cup. You bought it a long time ago. It's time to buy a new one. Really? Is that really a thing? Come on, don't give me the freaks. Is it really poisonous if you drink coffee from the same coffee mug because of the paint or whatever? I don't know. So many things are poisonous right now. So everything is poisoned. If you drink from a plastic cup, you're poisoned. If you drink from a ceramic, that's how you say. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. English is not my native language. So if you drink from a ceramic, is that ceramic? Ceramic, whatever thing, cup, mug, it's also poison. If I drink from anything, is paper cup is also poison. Uh-oh. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Simon, no. Simon says no. Hey Simon, what's up? What's up? Is that the Joker? I like your avatar, man. I like it. Ceramic. Ceramic! We say it in Europe, ceramic. We say it ceramic. Ceramica. Ceramic. Ceramic. Okay, ceramic. There you go. Ceramic. Thank you, Paul. Pottery cups are okay. Plastic cups are not good. Hey. J-ho! What's happening? Simon, I just noticed your avatar because I was watching the Dark Knight on HBO. I mean, I watched it back in the days in the movies as well, but I'm still amazed. I was watching it the other day on Netflix, I think, or HBO, I don't even know. And I was still amazed how Heath Ledger is so good in that movie. Just drink from glass. There you go. And the winner tonight is Zoltan saying just drink from glass. Futures Cup? When? You guys want me to enter? I can still enter the Robbins Cup, right? You know what, guys? I'm going to enter the Robbins Cup Futures Division. And I'm going to make 11,000%. I hope. I don't know. No, I'm not trolling. I'm sorry, guys. I still don't know what's going on with ICT. I was reading his post that he had some chest pains. I hope he's all right. I tried to copy trading on Quant Tower, and sometimes it doesn't copy my stop loss, which is recommended. I mean, how should I say this? How should I put this? There's no copy trader right now that we know of, and not just me, but others, that is 100% okay. Even Replicanto with NinjaTrader has glitches. The free ones, I'm not even talking about. The free copy trader software from NinjaTrader, more glitches. Apex copy trader is glitching out. The best one so far double quote unquote best one. So let's put it in. Okay, so that's Quant Tower, but why is it not copy trading your stop loss? I have no idea. I have no idea. We saw all different kind of glitches with Quant Tower copy trader, Ninja Trader copy trader. I have no answer to you about that. So I'm staying with Quant Tower. Always I make sure to check the orders tab and the positions tab, just to make sure I don't have open orders. So I can still beat ICT. Fast Track says they have trade await available. Oh, nice. From August 1. We'll see. There you go. Keep Rhythmic always open. There you go. Saya, pro advice for everybody who's copy trading with Rhythmic. Keep your Rhythmic trader ready to fire it up in case you have to close accounts. I also have the other day that Methodical Man had that glitch with his computer. I said to him on the comment, I have my laptop right next to me. It's closed now, but I can fire it up in 10 seconds. It's up. And I can connect to my Rhythmic. It has everything installed. I have mobile internet. If the cable goes out, I have my mobile internet. I have everything set up on my laptop. So if everything goes away, it's charged. I can open it, enter to Rhythmic, and flat out everything if I need to. Of course, it takes time, but I think I'm able to do it in like 30 seconds or one minute, whatever. I don't know. Just a safety feature. Pro tip: if you have an extra laptop or something, just set it up. Make sure you have an extra internet connection, because you know, I love ICT and I use his concept, but he is stalling the Robbins Cup for some reason and uses Recloud every. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, I respect ICT for his teachings. I learned a lot from him, a lot, and I'm telling you guys, the things I know today, the majority I know it from ICT. So that's all I can say. In terms of the Robin Cup, I don't know. I think, with all due respect to ICT, I think he made the mistake by pushing that Robbins Cup so hard last year on his socials. I think he should not have entered. I think it's something absolutely unnecessary for his position, right? That's what I think. But whatever is going to happen, I'm still going to say I learned a lot from him. So that's it. No. Trader Connect is good, Simon says. Okay, well, that's good information. I have been using Motion Wave. No issue with copy trading. There you go. Thank you, Trading Nirvana. Thank you. I guess we're good for look to buy. Yeah, I'm just waiting here and talking because I'm looking for some kind of a structure to build up. And I have my stress ball here. This is my stress ball. I know I show it to every day to you guys. It's from Dunder Mifflin paper company. If any one of you guys know it. So yeah, I'm waiting for a structure to be built up. Maybe on the 5 minute. Gold is technically would have taken out my stop loss, I think. I'm not trusting gold right now. I don't know what it wants to do. Haven't even watched it too much. Okay. There's a level up there at 0.07 that I like. I'm gonna be watching it. I do as well. Give all respect to him. Just weird how he stalls every year. I don't know why he does it. I guess it's his thing. He has more to lose than gain there. Yeah. Good morning, Isham. Good morning. Good morning. So guys, I haven't told this morning yet, so I get some hate all the time that I'm shilling all these prop firms. I did not shill any prop firm this morning particularly. But now the time has come after 90 minutes to say, if any one of you guys would like to support the channel, I greatly appreciate everything. Use my codes and links for some of these prop firms. Great discounts going on. The tomsabo code is working now at Apex 2 and Take Profit Trader, no activation fee. MyFundedFutures, no activation fee. Bulenox still has the 90% off. And TopStep, additional 20% from the current price if you register for a new account. But if you already have an account and if you would like to give some credit to the channel, then you can click on my link before you purchase or do a reset. By the way, the first reset is also 50%. And this was the commercial after 90 minutes. All right. That's how fast I shill prop firms right now. And I agree that I was shilling too much prop firms. So I tone it down. All right, guys. I get too many negative comments about that. And it's right. You guys are right. I'm going to stop shilling them so hard. I used 4 times and Bulenox already passed. Nice. You see, the pass rate is very good with the code tomsabo. Bro, if this 5-minute fair value get is inverse, do you think we should buy? Well, if first it needs to shift the structure with an up close candle, that's what I would be looking for buys. Can I do copy trading on Rhythmic account? In Rhythmic Trader Pro, I don't know if it's possible, but of course you can do it with Quantower. It's free at the same prop firm. It's free to do with Quantower. It has a built-in copy trader. That's how I would do it. If you need to copy trade between multiple prop firms, you can still go with Quantower, but you have to pay $30 per month for the advanced feature. Motivate for Rhythmic, and I love it. There you go. Check out. I haven't checked it out. I don't know that platform, or that, I don't know. Is that a trading platform? I haven't tried it out before, but there you go. Motivate for Rhythmic. Check it out, guys. Best DJ in town knows it. And by the way, my code is the best pass rate. One of the best, of course. We have some other good codes from good streamers, but one of the best pass rate. I forgot to say that. Amo, hi guys. Can you suggest best trade copier for futures? I would say, we were just talking about it, Quantower. That's what I would use because it's free. Just saying it, Amo, there's gonna be glitches everywhere most likely, but best DJ in town says Motivate is good with Rhythmic. The best experience I had so far, quote unquote best experience, is with Quantower, and it's free if you copy trade at the same prop firm. And there you go. And $30 monthly if you copy trade between multiple prop firms. So it can handle 50 accounts if you want, but just keep that in mind. There's going to be a few milliseconds delay between all those accounts, especially if you use market orders. If you use limit orders, it's going to be better, but if you push market orders, there's going to be a delay, whichever copy trader you use. You're welcome. Same prop firm. Okay. Can copy trade same accounts only at the moment. Okay, same prop firm. Yeah, so now we know that. So Motivate, right? Yeah, that's how I say it. Okay, it's working. But whichever copy trader you use, again, if you put a market order, there's always going to be a few milliseconds delay, so you won't get the exact same price. Expect that. Yes, if you go with that. Previous day low is getting closer, guys. What's happening here? The 15-minute order block low is actually down there, so it might going to break it. It's still dumping. I don't know what's happening. It's still just dumping. But, you know, let's see what's happening. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. It's going down. Let me go back to the 5-minute. It created a fair value gap going lower. I like this fair value gap indicator from Luxalgo. Luxalgo. Learning pronunciation, guys. 880. Look at that, going lower. Going lower. It's gonna go below the 800 maybe. I'm not jumping in. No way I'm going to jump into this one. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Possible short. Maybe. I'm a little bit scared to short here. It can also do like a retest. Maybe goes up to this fair value gap or higher. I'm a little bit scared to jump in. Tommy, good morning. Are you trading ES right now? I see it. Okay. Yeah. I was watching ES as well, but sometimes I trade it. That's true. This morning I don't. I rarely trade ES, especially in the London session because the lack of volume. Sometimes in the New York session I go to ES. SMT with ES. Lower time frame, right? Yes, look at that. So ES could be pushing it a little bit higher, up to 55.90-ish, above the swing high, maybe. All right, look at this. This fair value gap on the 1 minute is still holding. Could be pushing it lower to 800. I'm gonna put a line to 800 just to see it. Oh, it's very thick. Let's see. J-Ho long on NQ 823. That's a good entry. That is a good entry. I'm just still waiting. Oh, Zoltán, I just received, just give me a second in Hungarian. Zoltán, köszönöm, megkaptam az e-mailt. Szép, nagyon jó kis ügylet. Egyébként megkaptam az e-mailedet, köszönöm szépen. Ha jössz, megoldjuk a kávét is. Oké. Okay. Fellow Hungarian trader Zoltán offered him a coffee when he visits home in the country. Yeah, sure. Zoltán was sending me a chart. I can actually show that. He sent me a chart in email. And I told him that very nice trade here. So hopefully he will succeed. That's what he sent me. And I'm waiting. And I told him that I received his email from earlier yesterday because he sent an email that when he travels back to Hungary, we'll have a coffee together. So I told him that I'm down for the coffee and hope to see you. That's what I told him. Midstream. How trading go today? Kyle, nothing special really happened. We took out Asia high earlier, right after 2 a.m. And since then, we're just dropping lower and lower. We went into a bullish 15-minute order block here. And I have a feeling that we're going to burst through the 800. Look at that, how close we are right now. And yeah, I think we're going to go down, take out the 800, and maybe even go and take out the low of the order block. So, you know, just be careful. Vajda also fellow Hungarian from Transylvania here. I think, right? Erdélyből, vagy ha jól tudom, igen. Also said he wants the coffee. I mean, of course, you guys are welcome. My treat. Not just coffee. My treat for a lunch, guys. For a good lunch. All right. Look at that. We're gonna go through 800, are we? Good morning, Congo. Can you tell me which indicator you use for? Yes, of course. This morning, I think Ashev's, or who was it? I don't even remember. Sorry, guys. Who told me? Digital or no? Who was the one? Somebody on the chat told me. Oh no, it was Secrets of the Unknown. I think he was the one who told me that there's this Lux Algo indicator. Maybe Paul, sorry. Anyway, that there's this indicator, Lux Algo fair value gap. Here it is. Lux Algo fair value gap. That's it. It's a free indicator. Helps you to identify fair value gaps. No, Paul. All right. So it was Paul. Sorry. So Lux Algo fair value gap. If you just type in fair value gap, it says Lux Algo, you find it. Maybe one day when I go to Balaton, we can have a coffee. Definitely. Let me know. Let me know. Look at this, how close we are to 800. I also feel a FOMO on this gap. I should have taken a short. Look at this. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're welcome. And took out 800. Final target now is 758. Previous day low and also the low of the 15-minute bullish order block. It's just dropping like a rock. It's tanking, guys. It's tanking. 58. 20 points down. I think is going to take it out. No stopping this one. Oh, it's going to take it out, guys. There's no stopping this. Look at this. I can't jump in, not even with a scalp. It's just it can have some profit taking at these levels and just make a huge bounce. So not my trade, but it's going. It's going. Made $400 on my funded account today, so I'm happy with that. So I'm stopping. Is that 400? Yeah, almost 400. 390-ish dollars. So I'm fine with that. 730, yeah. With MyFundedFutures, you do have the trading drawdown. End of day trading drawdown, wider. Not intraday like Apex and Bulenox option 1. So only end of day balance from your end of day balance. So intraday you're fine. Ishan, what's happening? This is beautiful price action. The selling is very sweet, and the final target I think for the London session, and it will get it, is 58. I'm just too scared. I'm a chicken to jump in. I'm a chicken to jump into this one. I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm a chicken, you see? Especially not scalping. I mean, I don't want to scalp this one. We can have a huge bounce all the way up there. and then maybe from up there it can take it. So this is the reason why I don't like to jump in here, or it's just gonna straight go down. That's it. Shit, I was about to pull the target down. Oh, I was trying to find a new level. Trading Star, what's up? So far, good day. 390 bucks on the funded account. So I'm very happy, thrilled with that. So yeah, actually I can show it to you guys. I was copying it earlier. Where is it? Why is it my... I mean, it always goes away. So this is funded account, one of the funded account at Apex. This is the only one where I was trading from 1,562 up to 1,955. I'm going to leave this account alone for today. It's enough for one day. So I'm going to switch to a different account, but 390-ish something, right? Dollars, it's fine for a day for me. Any guess? Grass cutting, sorry, grass. No, my neighbor was doing it yesterday on 100 Fahrenheit, which is around 38 °C on the sun. He was cutting the grass at lunch hour, so he's a Terminator. He is the real Terminator, guys. I think the move is not done yet. Should be taking out the 58, so it's not done. And also don't forget, on Fridays we used to have rallies, relief rallies, that is. So it can turn into a full bullish day. I mean, from here it would be a little bit harder. Down at 800, there's quite a way to go back up there, but we could see a rally in the New York session still from these lows up higher. Waiting for 800 to retest as support for a shot along. Yeah, it could do that. It could. Look at this, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna take that out. It's gonna be interesting if it goes down there. Let's see if it does. I mean, that would be the move for London, I guess. That would be the London move. If it would finish the whole thing down at the 58s, but we just don't know it, right? Anyway, I'm gonna sit on my hand on this one until it's not finished. Look at that. It's gonna go for it. What's the low on the mini? At the mini, the low is 58.75. Okay, the same. Almost there. There you go. It's done. This is it. The London move is done. This is the London move. I mean, I don't see anything other down here that's interesting right now. Or maybe we do. Look at that. Look to the left. Jesus, baby, holy Christ. Again. All right. Next sell side liquidity from June 25th. Down there at 725. What the hell is going on here? It's obviously a lower probability. I'm gonna delete this. 15-minute order block taken. Okay, so the order block is destroyed on the 15-minute. The bullish order block has been officially broken and destroyed. The last target, which is a low probability target, but the last target would be 725 down there. No way I'm going to short it here. There is absolutely no way I would short this here. No way. Not doing it. No. No. No way. New low of session, yeah. Close shorts, nice one. 730. We have that 725. Let's check it on the mini. Low of this candle is... Oh yeah, okay, okay. Look at that. Look at that. On the mini, we took out the low. So that's the difference between... Okay, so that makes it even a lower probability to continue with the short. On the mini, the low on the... What is that? What am I... I'm looking something wrong here. Oh no, I don't. The low is 26, 726 on the mini. All right. 726 on the mini, 25, 25 on the micro. I'm going to put it to 26 on the mini here, because obviously the mini is heavier. That would be the final sell side, 26. But, you know, 28 Ashevs is saying. Yeah, something like that. Hey Tom, do you think Quantar will be around in the next 5 years? Hopefully. I hope. But listen, if they don't, obviously we should be getting a better platform, right? Called it before London Open. I said if we break Asia low, we're going down. Exactly. Best DJ in town called it way before the London Open. So that's a nice call there. That's a nice call. Relative equal lows 4 hour. Yeah, so the 726 for me would be a low probability target after breaking the order block. I am not going to go short. No way I'm going to go short here. There's absolutely no way. I'm not. I'm gonna study price action and we'll observe what's happening. At least I'm just going to observe, but I am not jumping in to this one. No way. Should have traded my own plan. Yeah. Also long-term red line with point on. Okay. May 1st and May 31. Okay. This is where you can go short, but you can't go long either. Exactly, best DJ in town. It's too low to go short and it's too low to go long. So this is exactly the point, like best DJ in town said. It's just too low to do anything. Especially in London session. If New York session would just start out now, we could be thinking in some terms here and targets, but you know, the London session is still on for another 1 hour. I'm in the kill zone, 1 hour and 12 minutes. But no, it's really, this is no man's land right now. Maybe I would be looking for longs, but the problem is, well, I'm not sure. Maybe for scalping, but it's very dangerous, obviously. If we break low, no telling. Yeah, absolutely. No telling if we break it, where is it going to tank? I scalped it. You scalped it down, made 600. Congratulations. Congratulations. 6 Billy bands. Congratulations there. I have a level at 847 for scalping. I have to zoom it out. The high of this candle, no. What's the high up there? 860. That's too high. Oh, the previous candle high is 803. 803. Yeah, so that could be a target for scalping. 803. I don't really like that level. I'm not gonna jump into scalp, I'm just watching it. Looks good on the 1 minute though. And the 5 minute, I like it. Could be retesting the 800. Could be. This is the 30-second chart, just to see if there is some kind of a displacement or imbalance that goes to the way. But I think it's going to retest the 800. I'm not jumping into anything, but I think it will retest. Should be retesting 800. You buy once and one closes. Nice. All right, Furkan. Better wave. Yeah, 25. Exactly, Ashevs. See what it wants to do from there. I agree. First time in my life I catch myself saying, I'm not touching this. There's the first time for everything, right? First time for everything. Let's go. We have an order block here on the 1 minute. We have the 800 level up there. I think it's going to test 800 again. It's very close. And it's done. 800. And it's done. Super easy. Super easy. 800. Could have been a good scalp. I didn't go for it. I don't know why. I should have gone for it. It was a super easy scalp trade. Super easy. And these are the times I don't know why if I want to scalp, why I just don't jump in. I don't know. I'm still nervous, I guess, for scalping. That's why I don't jump in. Bum, 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 bum. Look at that. 810. Going. It's going. What is wrong with my chat here? Seems like 785. Yeah, 1 minute. Let's check it. Creating some fair value gaps along the way. I like this indicator, guys. Honestly, I love this indicator. I can tell you that. I never used it before. So, Paul, I don't know if you're here. Thank you so much for bringing this to my attention. I'm going to put this indicator into my favorites. I like it. Saves me so much time so I can concentrate on what's happening. Great indicator. I like it. Oh, gold. Sorry, Aaron, let's see. So gold went back down. Let's check the 1 hour on gold. took out this sell side here. Let's not forget that gold is obviously likes to go bullish. There are some levels here, and I would be looking for a market structure shift. Market structure shift. Oh, hold on, I forgot to read. Just a minute, Aaron. I requested 750 from TopStep and I locked out myself trading. No trading till I get the payment. Guys, I have to give an applause to Trading Star because I know he's working on this hard. Congratulations, Trading Star. There you go. Paul, here's Paul. Thank you again for the indicator. It's Lux Algo. I'm gonna go with gold, Aaron. Just a second. It's Lux Algo. Fair value gap. That's the name, Lux Algo Fair Value Gap. It's super simple. I mean, I like it so far very much. Very good. Lux Algo Fair Value Gap. Free indicator. It's very useful. So on gold, I would be looking for a possible market structure shift here. See? So if it shifts with a displacement up there, I would take a long. We are in discount PD array, took out previous day low, pretty much swept everything that we needed to. There is some good targets on the upside, so I will be looking for longs on gold. But you know, let's see a market structure shift. Paul, I am very, very happy that you showed me this. I saw fair value gap indicators before on TradingView, but I don't know, they were like glitching out and wasn't really looking good. But this from Lux Algo, it looks decent, so I like it. I like it. It looks super easy, decent, not complicated, very easy to set it up, and you know, you have no idea how much hair I lose to make that 1500. I know you're not kidding. I know you're not kidding. You say that just kidding, but in reality, you know, just, you know, between us, Trading Star, I know you're not kidding. I know you lost a lot of hair. I know how it is, trust me. Professional traders don't use any indicators. That's true. As professional traders, we just look at the chart, and obviously I'm neutral, really. That would be the idea. Actually, this is not even an indicator, I would say. This is not even an indicator. It's just a software, which is, because it's a program that's helping you to draw the fair value gaps. So it's not really an indicator. Indicators are, anyway. It's Lux Algo fair value gap, but if you search for fair value gap, here it is. If you search for fair value gap in TradingView, you will find the one with Lux Algo. That's the one. Absolutely. All gamblers are around here. Yeah, yes, Ed, are all gamblers. Paul, I'm really grateful for helping me out with this. I'm gonna leave this indicator. I don't know what to call this. I would call this as an indicator, but it's actually a useful utility. It's a good tool to have to help you out drawing all these boxes. So it's a good one. Anything to help your life easier while trading, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Yeah. Obviously, the thing that it does, which is a little bit, not saying annoying, but it draws fair value gaps all around the place, even for like 2 points or whatever, which is fine. But maybe there's a setting I can look for bigger fair value gaps. Threshold, what is that? I don't know. I'm gonna play with the settings later on. Unmitigated levels. Whatever. Show dashboard. Top right. I don't even see that, but anyway. Show dashboard. How's the dashboard? Oh, there's a small dashboard. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna play with the settings later. You're welcome. I don't use indicators either. I have only sessions indicator. Yeah, the sessions indicator almost the same like this one, right? Just a drawing tool. That's what I would call this. It's not really an indicator. It's a drawing tool to help you draw the fair value gaps. Session, if anything helps, absolutely. If you have 100 indicators on your chart and it makes you money, then please continue to use that 100 indicators. If it makes you money, go with it and use it. I use fair value gap and session indicator. There you go. So I have absolutely no issues with anyone saying, you know, making money with indicator. If it makes you money, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Yeah, exactly, Ashevs. This is actually saving me energy and time. I don't have to keep drawing all these boxes all over the place. Saves me a lot of time and energy. Helps me to focus. I'm off. All right, Zoltan. Thank you so much for being here. And, you know, thanks for the email yesterday too. I'm sorry I didn't respond. I was at the aqua park, so thank you. You're welcome for that coffee anytime. So... Köszönjük, voltál. I only use, how do I say it? VWAP. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to make a video about VWAP. VWAP, or WWAP, I don't know. I'm going to make a pronunciation exercise video about how do we say volume weighted average price. Because, obviously, it is something everybody is interested. How do you say it? I look left if I need it. Yeah. Is NQ repricing? Good idea. There is a low probability sell side liquidity down at 726 from the 25th of June. So it's quite an old one. It could be still going down. But let's not forget that it's Friday, and Fridays usually hold some kind of a relief rally. So what could happen? We can just consolidate in the rest of the London session, maybe even take it out. And then in the New York Hill zone, we're just going to have a rally. So if you look back to Fridays, we used to have some rallies. Crude is good for a run. Could be. Bogrambo, let's see. Oh, look at crude. Yeah, nice. I don't trade crude, so maybe I should. I think crude is better to trade only in the New York session. Obviously, the most liquidity is there in New York. I don't really trade it. I rarely trade ES as well in London. So I'm just sticking around with NQ in London session. But gold is something I could be looking into. But as you see, no market structure shift yet on gold. I would be looking for a shift, but there's nothing yet. Big capital firms use VWAP. All right. Well, I heard that. Big boys are watching that level. You have entry on 1 minute, Tom, if you have interest. No, I can't. I don't. I see what you mean there, but I'm not gonna take this. I just don't feel like it. Obviously, a good target at 840. 840. It can. This could be the reaction from the order block, obviously. So it can definitely push it above 840, right? That's 840. So it can push it higher. By the way, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out any giveaways in the future, because I'm planning for it. I know we haven't done it this week. Yeah, last week we did, so we might do it in the New York session. I don't know. So stay tuned. Copper makes some great moves during London. Right. Okay. I'd never traded that, but you know, if it moves nicely, then that's good. You took it. Ashev's took it. Ashev's, I think you're safe until 840. You know, this level. Oh, it's so good to have this this indicator or whatever you can call it. So good to have this. Immediately draws it, the level. So the high is 840.75. It should be going there. Obviously have to be careful, but I think it's going there. 840. Look at that. If this is the reaction that we are seeking, or this is the level that we are seeking, sorry, and if this is the reaction that is going to send it, then there's no stop until 41-ish. What's the high of this one? The high of this one is 35.25. Should be taking it out, right? Let's see if it wants to go higher. If that's a target, then it should take it out. And obviously the fair value gap higher. Pam. No evaluation phase. I feel freedom with no evaluation. Man, what a headache. Well, you're referring to fast track trading? Or personal account? I guess both, right? New York trading, yeah. Yeah, it opened up. Yes, exactly. I know what you. Yeah, what is a crime? Nvidia is down. I haven't checked on it. Maybe I should have. Trying to catch some of these levels. What's happening here? We could see one more drop, of course, below the 800. If this is not the drop that we were looking for. I'm sorry, the run to the upside that we were looking for on this 5-minute fair value gap. Repricing a 1-minute gap a little bit lower. So who knows? Could be risky. Don't be angry, Tom. I'm gonna make YouTube channel and stream too. All right. Why would I be angry? Trading Star. Why would I be angry? Of course. I mean, why shouldn't? I mean, if you have you know, the passion for it, I absolutely say do it. Absolutely. I'm gonna be definitely tuning in as much as I can. Hope it's not a scam prop firm. Yeah, I hope so too, that they are going to be successful, because we need prop firms. We need prop firms to offer this kind of service. So that would be great, especially for, I would say, for those traders who are more experienced and you feel the ability and you're confident that you can pass the account. Come on, you can make it to payouts. Then obviously just don't forget that you're paying like $300 something in exchange for $2,500 leverage, right? So that's what you have to keep in mind, that you're investing 300 something ish dollars. I don't know what's the discount right now. So for example, $400, you're investing 400 to gain 2,500 leverage, right? That's the main investment. So don't get blinded with the 50K whatever account. You're buying $2,500 of leverage, which means if you fail like 5 funded accounts, I mean, it's still a good thing because you had 5 chances to take payout. It's better than only 1 chance from your own cash reserves or cash account, I guess. So it's still a good investment. Do you think they can manipulate trades in Quant Tower? No, they can't, because Quant Tower and TradeAwait and all these are regulated by the CFTC or SEC or both. I don't know, but they were specific on a stream. There was a stream on Discord about this, that these so TradeAwait and Quant Tower is not a prop firm. They are providers, data providers. They cannot, if they being caught by manipulating prices, they're gonna get sued like crazy. They cannot. That's the good thing in futures. They cannot manipulate it. Absolutely, Trading Star. I hope you make it fast. I'm definitely gonna tune in. Prop firms are perfect zone for education. Yeah, exactly. I just put a look stock of fair value indicator. Yeah, saves a lot of time. FX and Traffic, good morning. The man of the hour, FX and Traffic, good to see you back. How you doing? Ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. Ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum. I wonder if bum, 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 bum. If this one is gonna go for that fair value gap up there. Ba-dum bum, 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 bum. Are we going up there? Just heard something about IT outage globally. Didn't hear that. Banks, TV, large. They say that every year, I think. I don't know. I didn't hear that. It's new, at least to me. Didn't hear it. But it's interesting. It's interesting. There's almost some end of the world thing every year. Almost every year, I guess. Oh, whoa, what happened? Trading Star. I had to mute the sound. Thank you so much. 10 euros, man. You shouldn't have. Come on, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, but man. Thank you so much. For my kindness, thank you. 10 euros, guys. 10 euros is, in my country, is big money. 10 euros. People work for at least 2 or 3 hours or more. Actually more for 10 euros. So thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Trading Star, for all the support. Start your channel, you know. ASAP. I want to see you succeed. So are we going for this 40 or what is happening here? What's the high of that? Is 40.75. Is it gonna go there? It should go, right? Just to see what this one is doing. Yeah, but I'm in Hungary. I'm in Hungary. Hungary, center of Europe. The poorest the poorest country in Europe. Officially, we are the poorest country in the European Union. So yeah, an average salary for 1 month is $800. So if I'm aiming for $1,000 payout from a prop firm, trust me, guys, 1,000 as a monthly salary here in Hungary is a good salary. If someone is making $1,000 here in Hungary, then you're a lucky person. If you can take home $1,000, you are lucky. You have a good job. So $800 is an average salary. So 10 euros, trust me, guys, it's a good money. You know, when I go down to the shop, of course, inflation is everywhere, and food prices are getting more expensive everywhere, and groceries. But you know, Budapest is beautiful. Well, yes and no. It's a beautiful, beautiful city, absolutely. But unfortunately, a lot of homeless people nowadays are on the street. But I'm not gonna go and explain why. But yes, the poorest is it's not Bulgaria. FX and Trophy. It's not Bulgaria. Check the stats. Bulgaria. It was on the news in the Hungarian television. It was on the news officially last month. Bulgaria stepped above Hungary. So right now, the whole list of the European Union countries, at the bottom is Hungary. So this indicator is, you know, how much people are spending in I don't know what it's called in English. It's the monthly expenditure of the households. You know, how much money people are spending in every month. And officially, it's an official international data. At the lowest is Hungary. We are spending the least amount of money, which means it's the poorest country in the European Union. Bulgaria is above us. Check the stats. It's fresh. I know because I checked it myself. Fresh stats. Target hit. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ashevs. Gerald, your country is better. Which can? I don't know. So your country is full of gold diggers. Of them ladies. Komodo, what can I say? If there's a girl in a poor family, obviously her choice, one of her good choices is to find a man with good background and everything, you know. Yes, FX and Trophy, check it out. Officially, Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. Bulgaria has passed Hungary. So, good morning, DL Zazinga. Kenya has a lot of problem. Yeah, I know Kenya still obvious. I mean, yes, and I know there are countries that are still fighting with issues, and I wish everything would be so simple to fix. I hope everything will get better. It takes time, I guess. It takes time. They were eaten alive. Look at that. It took out that fair value gap. Boom. Now this one could be a continuation to go lower. I don't know. I'm not jumping in. I'm scared to do that. We're still in the kill zone, so anything can happen. But you know. You know how it is. Oh man. But so far, I think it's a slow London. I mean, not slow London session. From this point, it's gonna be a little bit slow. I think it's going to consolidate a little bit, maybe until the end of the kill zone. Don't know. Look at that. It's going. London session is barely moving, yeah. Bizarre market. Looking to short. I was looking in the middle of the night, pan over 980. Okay. And I'm sad. In the morning, price will still be there. It was, look at this consolidation. I mean, look at this. I think it was painful for a lot of traders during the Asia session. This here was definitely painful for many traders. We're still going down. What's happening? Hungarian women have great bodies. Well, you know, I don't want to brag about it, but I'm gonna say this. It's a secret, and don't tell anyone. I mean, of course you can tell, but Hungarian girls are, and don't say this to my girlfriend, but Hungarian girls are super hot. I mean, most of them. But Hungarian girls are super hot. Trust me, guys, on this one. They are hot. All right? Just saying. Just saying. I mean, we have beautiful women all across Europe. I know. But Hungarian girls are super hot. Yeah, definitely. Our hungry Jim, hey there. Yes, the daughters, exactly. By the way, FX and Trophy sees it right. They are the daughters of Genghis Khan, and that is definitely built into the genetics. When the Turkish invasion was happening hundreds of years ago, so they're hot, guys. They're okay. All right. Yeah, you can find a wife here. Definitely. You can find. Okay, look at this. This was a shift to the downside. I'm curious if it wants to go lower. Maybe take the... Oh, what is this? Some push up there. I thought it's going to continue lower. I'm not in the trade, but... Not only physical. Well, yeah. Look at this push. Do they want to... We're still inside the 15-minute order block, by the way. Can this be an accumulation for the reaction to push it back to the VWAP? To the VWAP. Look at daily, how juicy. Let's check the daily. Where? There's nothing here. Oh, maybe there is. Look at the low is 25, 25, 28, 25. Oh, that's juicy. Is that what you're referring? 400? That's way down. No way that Nasdaq can ever drop 400 points. But yeah, I see that. Very good levels. So that would indicate that we're going down. I was in love with Ava Gabor. Oh. I'm not familiar, but maybe I know who she is. I don't know. But is that oh yeah, yeah. She was actress, sister of Jaja Gabor. Yeah, was familiar. Ava Gabor, yeah, sister of Jaja Gabor. Yeah. You know, guys, back when I was younger, I had a crush on a Hungarian actress. I had a crush for years on a Hungarian actress, and I met her once in person. She's now having a husband and kids and everything, so time has passed. But back when I was 20-something years old, I had such a huge crush. When I met the girl, I almost, like, I was the guy in the movies, like, you know, I met her and, you know, she said hello, and I said hello, my name is and she looked at my friend, is he okay? And I said and then I missed my opportunity. That's such a huge crush I had on her. I was almost in love with her, really. I was definitely, I was in a shock because I wasn't aware that she's gonna be there. My friend tells me, and hey, Erica is here. I can introduce you. I said, what? Which what? Is she? Yeah, she's here in the next room. And I, what? I went, hello. And there, I messed up everything. That was my one chance from universe. But no, I'm glad everything turned out this way. Yeah. Google her and show us. Do you guys want me to show her? I had a crush on her so much. But she's older now. I mean, she's still young, but she has husband and kids now. She has a family. But when she was younger, she was my crush. I can show a fairly good picture of her, I think. Is there a good picture? I think there is somewhere. She has many pictures. I'm just trying to find a picture that's that might suit good for you. I don't know. I don't know if I can or if I should. I don't know. When she was younger, obviously, but I don't know if I There's so many pictures of her. I don't know which one to show. I don't think I can show. Anyway. Who was it? If I tell her name, you can Google her name and you will find pictures a lot. Huge outage, internet US. Google her and TP hit on crude, nice one. New food for yeah, no food. Hey Abs. It's always best to look for someone who loves you more than you love. Yeah, Tom. Damn hot damn. How much can you spend? What? How much can one spend on night out dinner, then bar, then book a guest house with lady in Hungary? You're asking me like I was an expert. Total amount. I don't know if you take out a girl to a dinner, bar. I'm gonna say it in dollars. So that's about drink something, have a dinner, spend about $150 on a normal place, so not a super expensive place. $150, $100, $150. If you drink something and then have just a decent dinner, $150. Have a guest house for a night, another $100 at a nice place. Not a night, actually another $150. So that's $300. So booking out a guest house, eating dinner, drinking, $400 should be covering everything. Other than that, I don't know. Pick one. You think I'm gonna pick one? Just a second. We'll ignore this week losses. Apex will ignore this week's. I don't know. Hopefully, with the rhythmic issues, they will, or not just rhythmic trade away. They might gonna do a reset. They did it before. There's been some sort of a worldwide shutdown. I didn't really hear about that. No, not Erika Mojar. I'm gonna text it. But she, just keep in mind that she's now 40 years old. She has a baby. She has a family. But when she was 20, 25, she was obviously. Okay, Google this. Google this. Because she was in a movie called Glass Tiger. So just Google this and you will find some good pictures. All right, Google this. And those pictures are from a movie that she was in. It's called Glass Tiger, and she was very sexy and hot in that movie. Google this, yeah. And my Google responded. All right, so you will find some very good pictures of her, and yeah. I would say one of the good pictures of her is this one. I don't know why is this a good picture. If you guys think this is a good picture, I don't know. Is this a good, maybe, but I don't know why is this a good picture. Anyway, it's a good picture, obviously. Yeah, so I met with her once and I was like, oh my God, for a few minutes and came back. Yeah, attracted with 1100. Oh, what? I left for a few minutes and came back to see a short order active with what the hell happened? Did you left an order maybe there? Maybe you left something there, at the orders. Yeah. Don't Google on your computer. You will be in trouble. Oh yeah, I will. I will. If it is Quant Tower, you should always watch Rhythmic. Yes, always make sure to have Rhythmic ready to log in. And you know, sometimes, I mean, not some, I do every day, every single session, multiple times, check the orders and positions tab. Have it opened if you can have it open somewhere. Have your positions and orders tab opened up. Still, this week, I had this one open. I didn't see anything, and I still had a ghost order on my account. Oops. I still had a ghost order. And I was very pissed off because... so then, for example, you should always, if you're not sure, or if you see your account balance moving, unfortunately, it is what it is, log into Rhythmic and try to flat out the position. That's something you can do. Delete Google history quickly. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't know. I mean, she knows I'm not blind, guys. My girlfriend knows I'm not blind, and this was in the past. You know, the other day we were walking together on the street, and you know, it happens to everyone. You know, we're walking, you know, talking, and you know, there comes another girl, you know, on the sidewalk, and she was hot, of course. You know, she was hot, and of course I looked at her like, oh, okay. And you know, the response from my girlfriend was, "It's all right, you can look at her." And I said, "I love you." It's all right, you can look at her. And I said to her, "Thank you, I love you." So she knows I'm not blind, but anyway. Bless her. Yeah. Obviously the girl who came on the other side, she was so hot. She was wearing some really tiny t-shirt and some tiny jeans there, and then I was like, whoa. I wish I got same answer with some answer. Okay. Because Apex, because they reversed all the loss straight away it caused, which was 8K, and now I'm scared that the pay requires to made it look like 8K happened one day. I don't know, Abs. That's a good question. You know, the 30% rule is not a hard rule, it's a soft rule, but yeah. With the arsenic. Yeah. You know, she says, okay, you can look at her. Wait till we get home and prepare dinner, you know. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Man, I should have taken it along here for a good scalp. Look at that. The open is 60.25. 60.25. It's gonna hit the 60.25, guys. Should be. Oh, there's a gap. Oh, never mind. There's a gap down there. I don't like when there's a gap below. Sorry. Always keep that in mind. But I still like the 60.25 level. Still like it. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Let's see if we get it. I don't know. I'm watching it closely, but I don't have an entry on this. Or do I? No, I don't. No, I don't. No entry. Morning, Sofian. Sofiane or Sofian? Anyway, good morning. Good to see you. Well, I had some scalps as we were heading down into the 15-minute order block. Now there is nothing special to look for. There's a level at 860 for a scalp to take out the 5-minute candle at 325. Other than that, I don't really see anything special. The high of the opening is 160.25. Yeah, 60.25 should be decent. Yeah. So that's the only thing I'm looking at as scalp, but I don't know if it's worth to jump in. It can just, drop down from here. Anyway, the move has happened, but there's still some downside to it at 726. So, depends on what we're looking at, but not really much happened. Yeah. Okay, it's repricing lower. The old speeder, hey. They oh yeah, you were writing. Sorry, I thought that I'm all over the place on the chat. I'm sorry if I miss anyone. Reverse, okay. Did not affect the consistency. Good to know. Took a small long. I'm not saying you should take a small long because I have no entry point as well. The risk to reward is off. So obviously it's super dangerous to go long. And we still have a small liquidity void at 41. So it's very close. And maybe it would be a better long position from 40. But, we'll see. That's just scalp. That's just a scalp trade, but it can reprice this gap on the 30-second. So careful. Careful with the trades. Careful with the trades. It's not finished with that level, I think. And closed it. All right. Well, I'm watching the 30-second chart and there is a small liquidity void, and that's that concerns me here if I really want to scalp it. Right there. Usually price likes to wick down at least, boom, and then maybe goes for the 60. And that 60 level is basically nothing special. It's just a flat candle on the 5-minute. So I noticed that the market or price or algorithm, whatever you want to call it, usually likes to take out those flat candles, especially if you're scalping, then 5-minute time frame and higher flat candles, 15-minute flat candle. Look at that. So it might go down there to 40. What are the Apex soft and hard rules? Abs, it's like DCAing is definitely. Oh, look at that! Now 60 is coming. Oh my god! I feel FOMO now, and I feel sorry for Sofian. Damn it! This move. So hard rule is obviously DCAing, but you can add once to your position. That's allowed, and also you can still so as far as I understand, you can still have a position at the news if you have a proper stop loss and take profit, and you're not risking a lot. So you're not going in with like 10 minis instead of usually going in with 1 mini or whatever. So that's like a windfall trade, as they say it. So hard rule is DCAing or using maybe algorithms to bracket orders, micro scalp, 1 or 2 tick with big lot size or contract size. That's something that they don't like, but no specific super hard rule, by the way. You can also trade the news. For example, at MyFundedFutures, there's a 4-minute window, 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after, and 60 was taken. Damn it. I saw this level. I was just, look at that. I wasn't confident that it's going to go down to that gap, reprice, and then go up. Anyway. So, how should I say this? MyFundedFutures requires you to have a window. At Apex, if the number comes out and you decided what to do, you can enter a trade, for example, like 10 minutes or 20 seconds later, if you can. If you can, but anyway. Scalping is alright as long as you're not going in for a few ticks with huge lot size, especially with no stop loss. Also with the stop loss, there was a video earlier, weeks ago, actually months ago, when the whole scandal just struck out, like you have to put a stop loss. It's not super mandatory to put a stop loss. Obviously, it's better if you use a stop loss. So always put a stop loss. That's what I say, just to play it safe. And don't put a stop loss like 3 times bigger than your take profit. So the 3 to 1 or maybe 4, I think it's 3 to 1. So your risk should not be more than 3 times as your profit. So you can have a negative risk to reward stop loss to have some wiggle room for the trade, but make sure that you don't put your risk like 10 times more than your take profit. Okay. That's also another thing. Now it's going to take that 40.50 level. I think it should go down. It will. 41. I think it was 41. Maybe. I don't know. Was it 41? I think it was. Anyway, so those are the things that you have to be careful, basically. Withdrawal rule says if we want to close the master account, we can withdraw from inside the buffer zone. Does that mean I can close my master account with? No, you can get 40% of the profit. DM. Good question. 40. They keep 60. You can have 40%. That's it. That's how they restrict you from taking all the safety threshold. You can keep 40% of the safety threshold, but you have to close the account. Yeah. First I thought that, so I thought that it's like that, but I was wrong. Submitted my withdrawal request, fingers crossed. Let's go, Abs, let's go. Will they explain? I think you might have it. Yeah, they send an email if they find DCAing or they might going to ask you about your strategy. For example, if one day you make a lot of profit with 10 minis and the rest of the days you trade with micros, just to get the consistency rule right and the minimum trading days, they might gonna ask you like, okay, like it's great, but why were you trading 10 minis one day and the rest of the days you were just trading with 5 micros or 1 mini or whatever? So if they see this huge difference, they might ask you to explain yourself. So I don't know. I like the video of that Indian who trade the news and taking along. Oh yeah, I think I saw that on TikTok. Yeah, that was a meme video. Yeah, I saw that on TikTok, I think. Yeah, they taking 60% DM. Yes, they are taking 60%. I actually have that video saved. It's just a TikTok guy who goes in with a lot of margin, full margin to a trade, and you know, news comes out and boom, it goes his way. And he used to make these videos. I don't know if he's really profitable or he's just doing it on a demo account for the views. I don't know. But yes, it was funny. Yeah. Yeah, he was doing that. Look at that. We're still going down a little bit. Let's see how far. Let's see how far. Is set in class with students and the teacher basically showing everyone how to trade news. There's a countdown. Oh yeah, yeah. It's a funny one. It's a funny one. Oh, what's this? What's happening? Instant 25 points. Somebody's talking. Some news came out. Maybe there was some news. I don't know. Nothing. So somebody's talking. Somebody's talking, guys. Who's talking? Look who's talking now. Nobody. ECB survey. ECB. Okay, nobody. I don't know. I don't know what this was. $15-minute is retesting. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Look at that. We have a fair value gap, basically a possible buy side liquidity up there. 74. Looks like it wants to take it. I mean, it could. Very much look like it. To retest all the way there. 74. 74. I guess it can go. Do we have a gap here on the 30 seconds? Not really. It had the market structure shift and broke higher. It's actually not far, but yeah, the 15-minute could be repricing higher. So I can imagine that it's seeking for liquidity up there. I don't see other levels. You remember Trump's and Boris tweets? I don't recall. I do. I don't know. If your NQ dropping another 500 points, could be, boys and girls. All right. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here because I don't see anything that I like, and I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session. So please, if you can join me in the New York session, let's have some good time, and subscribe to the channel, like the stream, and as always, if you can support the stream, support me here being full-time, please use my codes. Tomsabo works technically now everywhere. MyFundedFutures, Apex, Take Profit, Bulenox, and TopStep. Use the link. Guys, you are awesome. Thank you for being here. This was a fun session. I enjoyed it. Have a great rest of the morning or evening. And don't forget, we'll be coming back in New York session. Everybody have a good time. And see you guys later. All right. Congratulations to everyone who made profits and to everyone past accounts or whatever. See you guys in New York. Cheers.